Trauma begins as an event or a sequence of events that overwhelms the individual's ability to cope. But to fully appreciate its effects, one must look beneath the surface and into the brain itself, where trauma carves its patterns. The human brain is a network of billions of neurons, constantly processing information from the world. When a person encounters a traumatic event, a sudden loss, an accident, violence, or disaster, the brain's alarm system activates. The amygdala, deep within the temporal lobe, is a crucial part of this system. It rapidly appraises threats and sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus, in turn, talks to the pituitary and adrenal glands, creating a surge of stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. These give the body energy to flee or fight, making the heartbeat faster, senses sharper, and muscles tense. This is known as the fight, flight, or freeze response. In trauma, this response is so powerful it can overwhelm conscious thought, searing memories and feelings in vivid detail. The hippocampus, another part of the limbic system, is responsible for organizing and storing memories. When under high stress, the hippocampus's function can be disrupted, leading to fragmented or distorted memories. Traumatic memories might not be stored as stories with beginnings, middles, and ends. Instead, they can become unwelcome flashes of sensation, emotion, or image, a fundamental characteristic of post-traumatic stress. In the aftermath, the prefrontal cortex, which typically helps with reasoning and emotional regulation, has a harder time talking the amygdala down. This can result in hypervigilance, difficulty concentrating, and emotional outbursts. The alarm system becomes easier to trip, and the brakes harder to find. Over time, if this heightened state persists, it can affect the whole body. Sleep is disturbed, immune function weakens, and coping mechanisms struggle to keep up. Yet, the brain is not static. It retains the potential for healing through neuroplasticity. With therapy, support, and time, the brain can form new pathways and recover balance, allowing traumatic memories to become less overwhelming. In summary, the neurobiology of trauma is the story of a sophisticated, adaptive system pushed to its limits by overwhelming stress. It explains why trauma is not just a psychological event, but a profound biological process, one that leaves its signature in the wiring of the brain, but also opens the door to healing and resilience.